We're gonna show you how to make healthy mug cookies because today is our first day of our summer series posting 30 days straight. This summer series is gonna be packed with healthy recipes that taste good as well, so make sure you're subscribed to get tuned in every single day. Let's start off by adding 2 tablespoons of applesauce into our mug. To this, we're gonna add a pinch of salt, a little drizzle of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of honey, agave, or any sweetener of your choice. Obviously, that was a little bit too much. 1 tablespoon of whole milk. And lastly, let's add 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate. Let's pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. This is a perfect time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us to get us to 500 subscribers by the end of the summer. It's a hard goal, but it's doable, so please help us out and get us to that goal. Now this is a nice mug cookie. Alright everyone, we really appreciate you watching today's video. This was day 1 of 30 of our 30-day summer series. Click over here for another great recipe, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.